Oh yeah, don't forget to let the people know, man, where you located at, bro.
So we're at 1819 West Broad Street. That's the Fan BCU area. That's near the Lowe's on Broad. It's close to downtown, or close to the high rises. You know, BCU Siegel Center is right there. Across the street from us, we got Lucky 13, Enigma, all my cool neighbors. We got some new barbershop digs, black-owned barbershop. It's a new smoke shop that's maybe been here a year or two. But yeah, Truist Bank. It's not hard to miss at all. Big P on the sign, promac. You can't like yeah. It's a big, huge blue P. It's a blue building in the midst of kind of the downtown, you know, backdrop, monotone backdrop. It's a big blue building, you know. So yeah, y'all can't miss it.
Tell me your specialty, man. Like, what's your main thing? Like, what's like the biggest thing that people bring in here?
So we are known for the Macs, for Mac repair. You know, it's like once in a while to Short Pump to the Apple Store. So we're known for Mac repair, and that's everything from iMac, MacBook Pro, you know, your iPhones, your iPads. You know, we're specialized in that. So software, hardware repair, we can do for you. Got a few here today. It's pretty much been like definitely an Apple day today. 2 Apple repairs, 2 iPad repairs, 2 MacBook repairs, and yeah, those were just checked in this morning. So these are kind of like urgent repairs. PC. So I'm kind of just putting it to the side because I got a time limit, but I need to get some other stuff started. And of course more Mac. This is an old cinema display. This is something I'm probably gonna sell. It's the company's, you know, we have replaced it for a customer, just got him a replacement because it was kind of a time crunch for him. So I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna flip it and I'm gonna probably put it with that Mac Mini that y'all saw up front earlier. And we could call that like a $300, $400 system for somebody. So whoever the lucky buyer is, you know, yeah, they'll be coming out with something nice. But that's pretty much it, man. That's what we got today. People, you know, we get a chance to sit and talk now, but it's usually the phones are ringing, people are in and out. And yeah, it's pretty busy sometimes. So it's usually a one-man shop. On certain days, you'll catch 2 technicians here, but it's usually one man, because, I mean, trying to be efficient, keep everybody paid properly. More people in mind, the less pay for everybody, so.
I understand.
I thought that's always been my motto, too. I hate it when I work for a company and I seen people getting hired for something that the current team should be doing, could have been doing. With their salaries, you know what I'm saying? Like, so, yeah, these we'll be opening up more too. It'll be the same setup, you know, kind of like a one-stop shop for everything, you know. And yeah, man, continue to serve the
So by being a boss, right? And I call bosses leaders, right? I don't just look at a boss as a person to just tell people what to do.
Sure.
By being a leader, right? What are some of the challenges? What are some of the dope things about it, like? And what advice would you give to somebody who wants to be a boss?
For sure. I think the main thing is like just knowing that you're responsible for so much. I mean, that's the kind of the up and downside. Like you got, you know, customers to take care of, you know, that's your external, then you got your internal customers, which are your employees, and you know, everybody has to remain happy. You gotta keep that balance. And then you gotta keep, you know, for you know, the people who helped me out or work with me, you know, gotta compensate them. And that's one thing that's like, it's real. It's like making sure everything's on point because this person needs their check. They're doing their job, they're taking care of the people. It's my job to make sure they always have a check, even on our slow weeks or slow months, you know. They gotta get paid, they're worth it, you know, and I'm gonna be there to you know, oblige, to support, you know what I'm saying?
Yes,
so that's one thing. Like you are responsible for not just you, not just the building. You know, it's other people, like people that come here, they have lives and they have kids and